many business competitions, the people who are offering mentorship services are actually doing it with a little hook. They're expecting you to use the services later on. The interesting difference is in the Minnesota Cup, most of the people are actually giving back. They've already reached that pinnacle, so they're now giving back to the community. So they do not have this vested interest about looking forward to a continuing education. To me, a continuing relationship. To me, the fact that some of them have continued to do so, I mean, they're doing it on their own dime. So it's absolutely amazing to see people who have reached that level of, I guess, actualism in life that they're now able to give back. So we've had some people like Mary Pat Blake, who was an executive at one of the Fortune 500 companies, actually a Fortune 50 company, right? So she actually helped do the IPO. So I mean, the wealth of experience that she brings is amazing. And Bob French, who I talked about, our second mentor, he successfully started about 6 companies. So I mean, just to be able to share the experiences with those people and the guidance that they bring is amazing.
Typically, by the time a company has come to the Minnesota Cup, they've had friends and family around them, giving them perspective, support, etc. With a mentor, you get a totally new objective perspective on your business, which I think is very valuable. At the same time, with a mentor, you go deeper into the business to understand, where are the issues, where are the opportunities, where are the sticking points at that point in time, and try to help the companies grow from there.
Ability to not work in isolation and have a sounding board of people who are experienced and who have made and seen all the mistakes that you can think of many times over. Because many of these mentors are not just successful themselves, but they've mentored for a number of years. So they've seen what startups look like. They've seen it is interesting, and some of the biggest fears that you have as a startup, the big dragon that you think you cannot slay, they've seen it slayed, right? So just talking to those people and knowing that some of the problems that you're having are really teething problems is hugely inspiring. It's what keeps you going.